Exit codes in Python. I got a message saying script xyz.py returned exit code 0. What does this mean? What do the exit codes in Python mean? How many are there? Which ones are important?
Exit codes of 0 usually mean nothing wrong here. However, if the programmer of the script didn't follow convention, you may have to consult the source to see what it means. Usually a non-zero value is returned as an error code.
You're looking for calls to sys.exit, exit, calls sys.exit in the script. The argument to that method is returned to the environment as the exit code. It's fairly likely that the script is never calling the exit method, and that 0 is the default exit code.
From the documentation for sys.exit. The optional argument arg can be an integer giving the exit status, defaulting to 0, or another type-of object. If it is an integer, 0 is considered successful termination, and any non-zero value is considered abnormal termination by shells and the like. Most systems require it to be in the range 0 to 127, and produce undefined results otherwise. Some systems have a convention for assigning specific meanings to specific exit codes, but these are generally underdeveloped. Unix programs generally use 2 for command line syntax errors, and 1 for all other kind of errors. One example where exit codes are used are in shell scripts. In Bash you can check the special variable $? For the last exit status. Personally, I try to use the exit codes I find in .h on a Linux system, but I don't know if this is the right thing to do.
There is an Erno module that defines standard exit codes. For example, permission denied is error code 13.
If you want to check, please say